How do you set RC failsafe when binding a transmitter? Imagine flying your RC model and suddenly losing signal. You want it to behave safely, right? That's where setting the failsafe during binding comes into play. It's a key step to keep your model from going wild if the connection drops. Failsafe is a safety feature that tells your receiver what to do if it stops hearing from your transmitter. It can cut the throttle, hold the last position, or move servos to a safe spot. Before you start binding, you need to decide what you want your model to do if the signal is lost. Usually, you set the throttle to 0 so the motor stops, and servos stay neutral or in a safe position. To do this, turn off your transmitter and receiver first. Insert the bind plug into the receiver's bind port if it has one. Power on the receiver, and it should flash or indicate it's in bind mode. Now, move all your transmitter sticks and switches to the positions you want your model to adopt if signal drops. For example, set the throttle to idle or brake, and make sure control surfaces are neutral. Next, turn on your transmitter while the receiver is still in bind mode. The receiver's LED should change to show it's successfully bound. Once it's bound, remove the bind plug from the receiver. Now, you need to program the failsafe. On some radios, like Spectrum, you go into the programming menu and select Capture Failsafe after setting your sticks to the desired positions. For others, like FlySky, you press and hold the receiver's set button until its LED flashes, saving the current stick positions as failsafe. This step is important because it tells the receiver what to do if the signal is lost. After programming, always test it. Turn on your model, move the controls normally, then turn off the transmitter. Watch how the model reacts. It should move to the failsafe positions you set, like throttle off and servos neutral. If it doesn't, repeat the programming process. Remember to always remove propellers or disable motors during testing for safety. Some receivers have special modes like SmartSafe, which only cuts the throttle on signal loss, while others hold less positions for all controls. The timing of removing the bind plug can also influence whether full failsafe or just throttle cut is enabled. Setting failsafe properly is a simple step that keeps your flying experience safe and controlled. It prevents your model from running away or crashing if your radio signal drops unexpectedly. Just follow these steps carefully, and you'll have peace of mind during your RC flights.